In this video, I head to CVS because I have loads of coupons that will enable me to get free items. My total was over $40 and went down to a zero, and I'll show you how I did it. So I planned on what I was going to get. The goal was to get the whole blends as well as the Mitchum and the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. I had $4 off coupons on the whole blends as well as the Fructis, $2 off coupon on the Mitchum out of the red box machine, and $1 off manufacturer coupon. I was expected to pay nothing for that haul because in addition to that, I had a $5 ECB, a $2.25 coupon from the red box machine to stack. I headed over to CVS to see if everything would work out. When I scanned my card at the red box machine, that changed everything. Because the initial plan was to get the whole blends, the Fructis, some Kotex items, and that was it. With all the coupons that I had, I expected to pay nothing, but it went even better. On the way to go get some of the items for the coupons that came out of the red box machine, I noticed that CVS has once again marked down their clearance that started at 25% off. Now most of it is 75%. So I found some items that I needed for myself and my family because you guys know as winter approaches, we're going to need cold medicines. I noticed new clearance as well. The Atkins is now 25% off. As you know, it's probably going to go near 90%. But always check the expiration date because you don't want any old items in your stockpile. Doesn't really matter what the deal is. So then I headed over to get the whole blends as well as the Fructis because I had $4 off coupons on each, as well as a $2.25 coupon that I had gotten from the red box machine that would bring down my total even more. So then after I got my coupons from the red box machine, I noticed more coupons on Kotex as well as Almay. So I went over there and I got those items as well. I checked my binder to make sure I had more coupons to stack with those from the red box machine, and I did. So I had the $4 off of 12 for the Kotex. And then I had the Almay coupon, $6 off of any Almay product. So I headed over and I went looking for the best deal. So I checked my coupons to make sure everything was in order, and I headed to the counter. I watched my total go from $40-some to zero. It was exciting for all those items. So that was a fun haul. To be able to get all those items for free was fantastic. Over $40-some worth of items. So when I scanned my card at the red box machine, that changed everything because I got the $6 coupon for the Almay. Usually the CVS coupons will say spend so much and then, you know, do that. But this just said $6 Almay. So I was like, yay, okay. And then I got the Kotex coupon. So it was like spend $12, save $4. That was a fantastic coupon right now because we have all of those Kotex coupons, $2 off of one. And then they had $1 off Mitchum coupons, you know, and then I had like a $5 ECB because I did a deal probably a couple weeks ago on the Garnier skincare. So when I rolled all that in and all my coupons in, I got out of the store. I did not have to pay anything. And I love couponing like that. at CVS. You know, it's a wonderful way to build your stockpile up. You know, you have to do your little homework before you start. Always figure out everything before you get to the register. And always use those coupons from the red box with your regular coupons and rewards to save even more money. Okay, so stick around to the end of this video because I've added more photos for more clearance that I found. So I purchased Almay, Kotex, Mitchum, hair care from Whole Blends as well as Fructis. After all my coupons, I paid $0. I had a lot of coupons from CVS. When I scanned my card, I got lots out of the red box machine, as well as I stacked those with manufacturer coupons. Thanks for checking out my video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Happy couponing!